What's up, YouTube? I have a really scary statistic to share with you. Did you know that 4 out of 5 new businesses will fail? It's really, really scary. Do you want to know why? Stay with me. It's coming right up in my review of Best Year Yet. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Yeah, yeah, he's got his best year yet too. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, stop it. He says the same thing every time. It's so annoying. Stop it already, Bart. Enough. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and products to make my online niche, and I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. And you see, Liz is such a sweetheart. I love her. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking at the sales page for Best Year Yet. And you can see that this guy is featured on Forbes magazine. If you're not familiar with Forbes, then you probably know nothing about anything to do with making money or anything else, because Forbes is a major magazine. Now, basically, this is a very different product than most of the products that I've looked at. Most products are there to teach you a particular trick or method or whatever. This is very different. Best Year Yet is basically designed to allow you as well as other people to put together a proper business plan. Now, what do I mean by business plan? So, if you recall, my cat is here to say hello. If you recall, I mentioned that 4 out of 5 new businesses actually fail. Why do they fail? Well, one of the biggest reasons that they fail is because they don't have what's called a business plan. They don't know how to actually grow from top to bottom, basically. They might start off really, really fast and then get too big and then kind of run out of steam, or they might basically take too long to start making money and run out of money. Whatever it is, these are issues that come up when you're building a brand new business. And so this guy is basically an expert in how to build an actual business. Like real businesses, okay? Not I'm going to go and make money online because I'm going to push a few buttons kind of business, but like real businesses that actually make real money. And the fact of the matter is that by offering this service, you can easily make $500, $1,000, $2,000 each time working with a local business, because they need you to teach them how to do this. Now, the nice thing is, by the way, that Best Year Yet is actually, they call it a Certified Best Year Yet Master Plan. It's actually designed for people who are brand new, who don't know a thing about building a business. I know that sounds weird, kind of like the blind leading the blind.
Talk about the blind leading the blind.
Yeah, kind of like that, but not exactly. Anyway. But the truth of the matter is that by the time you finish this course, it is a very extensive course. By the time you finish the entire course, and I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment. By the time you finish the entire course, you are going to be ready, first of all, to build your own business and to really make it work. And you're going to be ready to teach other people how to build their businesses. Okay, it's basically like a business plan in a box, so to speak. So it's really, really cool. Let me go ahead and show you the members area. And I really, really like this product a lot because it's so different than a lot of the other things I see. So you can see here that they have just the welcome area, and then they have this entire training package, which teaches you everything you need to know about how the exact system works. What they're going to do is they're actually going to send you a personalized questionnaire. It's a 50-question questionnaire that you would work with your clients to go through in order to help them to really build their actual business. And everybody gets their own personalized questionnaire, which is personalized just for you for your own personal business. So you can actually use it to go out and really build a proper business for yourself, which is so, so cool to me. Okay, and you can see over here the entire package is going to go through everything you need to know: how to prospect for clients, how to find people who are interested in your services, and how to really show them everything they need to know. There's a couple of bonuses here: fast track Q&A, the proven case studies. Okay, the mastermind group. That's really cool to get a mastermind group. Is always very, very cool. And like I said, this is a very, very different product than what I usually see, because most of these products are not about building a real business. They're mostly about, oh, this is another gimmick. This is building a real business, making real money, like, not selling, oh yeah, another gimmick. Okay, I found another way of making a couple of bucks online. This is a real business. And that's something so very different than what I usually see. So see if I give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Well, as the gentleman says, yes, tip my hat to the product creator. Very nice job, guys. I'm really impressed because this is something so very different. It's not the usual make money online crap where basically it's just, oh yeah, okay, another gimmick for making money that's going to be worn out after a while. This is something you could actually go out and help real businesses and make real money doing it. So I really do like this product quite a lot, quite a lot. Go ahead and grab it. Start building yourself a real business, and you're going to feel good about yourself, and you're actually going to love this.